Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So, as I promised, I am going to start a series on data structure and algorithm. So, today will be the day first, and today we will discuss that in this series what we are going to discuss about data structure. In tomorrow's class, I will tell you what we are going to cover in the algorithm. So, that will go to parallelly. One day I will discuss data structure, second day I will discuss about algorithm, or if you guys want I will make both two different playlists so that there will be no confusion between them. So today we are going to discuss about the, you can say, syllabus, that what exactly we are going to cover in this topic, and basic thing we will understand about data structure, like what is data structure, why we need a data structure, and how can we use data structure, and how it will help in our day-to-day life. So without any further delay, let's start. So by seeing my screen, first page you understand that what I am going to do. So total 4 week it will take. So first week will be for data structure. So in that first week I will discuss about foundations and linear data structure. In that there will be two units. One unit that I will discuss about introduction to data structure. Inside that, basic terms will be like there, like data. So what kind of data? That is raw data. Information like processed data. ADT is nothing but abstract data type, so that also I'm going to discuss. In that, logical model of the data structure will be there. Then I will discuss about data structure means the way of organizing data in memory. So that will, all thing will come in unit 1 only. Other than that, I will discuss about classification. In classification, I will discuss primitive and non-primitive data types, linear and non-linear data type. And in that, basic operations will be there, like transversal, insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and merging. So if you are asking me one question, that who can follow this series, so this is relevant for both experience as well as fresher also. This can studied by a DevOps also. This can, anyone can follow, like it's beneficial for developer also, tester also. Anyone who want to get a job in the product company, they must know these things. So anyone can follow it. It's not specific for only DevOps people. Yeah, coming to the unit 2. So what I am going to discuss in the unit 2? So in the unit 2 I am going to discuss about stacks. That will come in the first week itself. So in the stack, the concept will be LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. I know that you all guys back to your college days, but fine. And here I will represent like array implementation I am going to show you all. And operations I am going to perform, and that will be practical as well, like push means insert, pop means delete, pick means stop element, and application like expression conversion like infix plus postfix, and parenthesis checking also I am going to discuss in unit 2. So this is what we have going to discuss in week 1. Coming to the week 2, so in week 2 we will discuss about linear data structure. That will be continue going on in linear data structure. That will deep dive in week 2. In that also stacks advanced concept we are going to learn. That advanced means what? Advanced means evaluation of postfix expressions. So that we are going to cover in week 2. In week 2 there is a unit, like second unit Q also we are going to discuss. That the concept will be FIFO. FIFO means first in, first out. Okay. And representation will come in array representation. Operations like in queue, that will come insert. DQ means delete. And types we are going to discuss about simple queue, circular queue and DQ. And here we are going to follow application, that is round robin scheduling. So that we are going to learn in week 2. Coming to the week 3, that is linked list. So in linked list we are going to discuss about singly linked list, In singly list, we are going to discuss about structure and memory representation of the data. And we are going to perform the operations like transversal, insertion, deletion, searching. And that types will be circular linked list, doubly linked list, and application if you are talking about. So we will implement stack and queue using linked list. Now, week 4, we are going to discuss about non-linear data structure. What do you mean by non-linear? Non-linear means if you have studied in your college, you can correlate. If you didn't study, no worries. I am here. I am here to help you all. Unit 4, we will discuss about trees. Trees terminology will be root, degree, height, level, leaf. So this terminology we will discuss in a very detailed way. And binary trees, like in binary trees I will show you the representation and teach you like array and linked list, array and linked operations, insertion and deletion. Transversal is in order, pre-order, post order. And in the types we will discuss about full binary types, complete binary types, and binary search tree as BST also. This is the unit 4 and the last topic about the data structure, that is graph also we will discuss. In the graph we will discuss terminology like vertex, edge, degree, representation like adjacency matrix, adjacency list, transversal. In transversal BFS, DFS, breadth first search, depth first search. So this is about data structure. Now the first question came in our mind, and that is the very common question, is what do you mean by data? So if you are going to search in the, like, let me tell you, and then I will tell you in the Google also. So what is data? So data is the raw material. Raw material, when processed or organized properly, it provides useful information. That is data. For example, if lots of fruits is there in a garden, so people used to call as a fruits. But if you will segregate apple one side and mango one side, grapes one side, so that is data, because that came to meaningful. Now what is data structure? So in modern computing system, ranging from artificial intelligence and machine learning to blockchain, IoT, cloud computing, and cyber physics system, so data structure play a crucial role in handling large volume of data efficiently. So see, when we are talking about a garden, to segregate apple and banana or mango, it's very easy. But what about if we have to, in companies and industry, a lot of data will be there and crores data will be there, so that you can't handle manually. So there's something should be needed, which will keep our data in a structured format. So that is nothing but data structure. In simple term, we can say like collection of raw data in a processed form is nothing but that data structure. Now the question came in our mind, second question, that why learn modern data structure? Because why we have to learn modern data structure? That because that is the backbone of the modern terminology, or we can say technology, and it can handle, as I said, handling big and real time data and performance and energy optimization. For that also we need, if we have to scale data or if we have to make secure our data, in that scenario also we need data structure. Now there is a bridging theory and practice that also we will see, and there is a future proof skill is there if we will learn. So suppose there is a hardware, there is a software, and one networking things is there. Hardware means physical foundation, software means operating instruction, and networking is to connecting that layer. So that in that way only in real time we used to follow that data structure, all the things. Now you will say, no Varsha, hardware I understand, that physical foundation and all, but I want to know more information. That is not more than enough to understand if you are going to discuss all this thing very deeply. So I said, yeah, let me disclose something, and that will be, little bit more way. So what is computer hardware? So computer hardware, if we'll say, in the school whatever we have discussed, or in college, that we are not going to consider, because we are experienced people, and we are going to get a job in the IT, so we will have to discuss in that way. So suppose like computer have a terminology data, okay, that is processing capability much larger than the humans, and it is worth using such as a device to solve different problems. So computer can solve many problems. They are programmable and can be instructed to do a task. Computer are equipped with devices used to provide input instance and input program. For example, keyboard. Now output device. Keyboard is input device in hardware itself. Now coming to the output device, that will notify the user about the result of the computation. So what it will be? It will be a screen, it will be a printer, it will be a speaker. So that is output device. Now what is processing unit in hardware? So processing unit is nothing but it will perform the actual computation. And in hardware, that is arithmetic and logic unit will be there, ALU. So that will provide basic operation units of computation. Control unit. Now control unit controls flow of data and instructions. Register, that will scratch location used for storage of intermediate result and values. There is external memory, that is out of the processor memory, that provides storage space. Main memory, that is memory that is closest to the CPU, in which the program are loaded for execution. There is a secondary memory, that is bigger than memory, meant for the efficient storage. If you want notes, just ping in the comment box, I will provide you the notes. Now the second thing come in our mind, that is what is software. Let me do one thing. Yeah, so now what is we are discussing about the software, that what is software and all this thing. So yeah, what is software? So software means instructions that tell a computer what to do. Entire set, no, that I have discussed, I think. Now the thing came in our mind is computer interaction overview. So that will come bit, nibble, byte, data and code. What is bit? Bit is nothing but that is the smallest unit of data, 0 or 1, that will represent electrical state in hardware. So that is bit. Now nibble, N-I-B-B-L-E. What is nibble? Nibble means group of 4 bits used to represent a single hexagonal digit. Now bytes, so that will come group of 8 bits, basic unit of storage representing a character or number. After that it will came to the data. Data means collection of raw bytes without meaning, like number, symbol and signal, that should not be there. Now code. Code means structure, instructions and representation, ASCII and machine code program, and that tell the computer how to process the data. Now again the fourth thing will come to that, information. Information means meaningful process data, supports understanding and decision making. So the thing will come in like, first will come bit, nibble, bytes, data, code, processing and information. So don't worry about the notes, you will go get the notes in my Telegram channel, and hope you liked the video. From tomorrow we will discuss real things and all the things. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day.